Hi everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. We are going to fold this white craft paper and make a triangular shape. Now draw the snowman and these designs using black marker. Cut all of them, gently open it and it's ready. Now color it like we are drawing the snowman here, and look, your snowflake design is ready. We need a balloon. Cut it and fill it with this cotton and tie it at the top with rubber band. Look, you can squeeze it like this. We are making two partitions. So draw the eyes of the snowman using marker. Now we are using this fruit foam net. Fold it and paste it using double-sided tape. Using this, we are going to make a hat. Look how pretty this is looking. Put it on the top of the snowman and it's ready. Collect some dry grass and we are going to make a bunch of grass like this. So collect more and put all of them like this, and look, your tree is ready. Now we are going to tie a knot at the bottom part and cut it like this. Now take some cardboard pieces, cut it in a circle and place the tree on the top of it. Decorate it with pom-pom balls and look, it's ready. We're going to make Christmas tree using thuja leaves. So we're going to cut the small piece of leaves and paste all of them on this black craft paper using glue. Paste all the leaves in the shape of a cone like this, and look, your Christmas tree is ready. Decorate it like we're making a snowman, and look how pretty this is looking. Add more details like we're doing here. We are using clay and make the balls and put it on the top of it, and look, your artwork is ready. We are going to use these peanut shells and make this beautiful artwork. So remove the shell and paste it like this. We are making a square shape here for the house. Paste the doors and windows. We are using the bottle caps and make the snowman. And using this fruit foam net, we are going to make the snow as well. Use some clay as well, and look, it's ready. We're going to draw the tree trunk on this brown paper using black marker. After this, we're going to use some clay and make the snowman like this. We're also making the muffler, eyes and its nose as well. Now we are going to paste these fruit foam net on the top of the glue. So make small pieces, paste it, and look, your beautiful artwork is ready. We're going to make this artwork using acrylic. So cut these acrylic like this. Now color it white like we're doing here using a paint and brush. Now we are going to draw the shape on the top of this blue craft paper. We are making a snowman family. So we are going to make 3 snowmen here. First, the snowman, we are putting the gloves and eyes, and similar way we are also making the baby snowman here. Similar way we are making different hat, and look, your artwork is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.